Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we have the best Blackstone 22 tabletop griddle with hood and stainless steel front plate. Whether you're an outdoor cooking enthusiast, a tailgater, or someone who loves grilling while camping, this griddle is a must-have for your next adventure. The Blackstone 22 inches tabletop griddle is designed to provide a convenient and versatile cooking experience. Its compact size makes it perfect for taking on the go, whether you're cooking at the beach, on a picnic, or in the comfort of your backyard. Despite its small footprint, this griddle offers a surprisingly spacious cooking area, with 361 square inches of surface space. That's enough room to cook up to 14 burgers at once, making it perfect for family gatherings or small parties. What makes this griddle stand out is its innovative two-burner system. With a combined 24,000 BTUs of heating power, it provides two evenly heated zones, allowing you to cook different foods at different temperatures. This means you can cook bacon on one side while flipping pancakes on the other, offering unparalleled cooking flexibility. Whether you're preparing a hearty breakfast, a delicious lunch, or dinner, the Blackstone 22 inches griddle gives you the ability to do it all. When it comes to cleanup, Blackstone has made the process incredibly simple. The griddle is equipped with a rear grease management system, which guides food debris and grease to the back, making grease disposal easy and hassle-free. After you're done cooking, simply guide the grease into the grease tray and you're good to go. Another feature that sets this griddle apart is the integrated hood. Not only does the hood protect the griddle from scratches and dirt when not in use, but it also helps with maintaining consistent heat while cooking. The non-slip feet ensure the griddle stays firmly in place, and the push-and-turn ignition system makes it easy to start up with no hassle. At just 37.5 pounds, the Blackstone 22 inches griddle is portable enough to take anywhere. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or just cooking outside, this griddle provides all the benefits of a full-size griddle in a compact, portable design. The stainless steel front plate adds durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use while looking sleek and stylish. This griddle isn't just about function, it's about making your outdoor cooking experience better. With its large cooking surface, easy cleanup, and versatile features, it's no surprise that the Blackstone 22 inches tabletop griddle with hood is a top choice for those who love cooking outdoors. If you're ready to take your grilling to the next level, consider adding the Blackstone 22 inches griddle to your outdoor gear collection. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and insights.